Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and probably a few other places. Just Google me. Anyway, this is the Ipsy June 2019 Ipsy Block Party. Oh my gosh, this is like the coolest bag ever because it's a collaboration with like Tetris. Oh my gosh, like, and I'm like, what the, yeah, having like all these video game flashbacks. And it's weird because I've got the Tetris here, but I've got Super Mario Brothers stuck in my head now. Do 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 do. Yeah. So let's get into all these fun products. Hey, Ipsy teamed with Tetris and made makeup. Everybody's got like video game lines out now. There's Tetris, there's Pac-Man. I'm sure there's a couple others. I'm not a video game girl. Still trying to like master Pac-Man on the Atari 2600 from the 80s. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. I think I'm just gonna stick to like comic book stuff and be a nerd that way. Anyway, first product, Neogen Code9 Black Volume Cream. It's apparently like a moisturizer that you can put on your forehead, nose, cheeks, chin. Give a healthy glow when you massage it into your skin. Look at that! Made it rhyme, made it fit just like Tetris blocks. Did you know that Tetris blocks have a name? Like, I just learned that 2 weeks ago. I'm serious, like Google it. Tetris block names. They have official names. Then we have Sunday's nail polish in number 13. It's like a bright red nail polish. Ooh, bright for summer. Excited to try that. Oh, it's like non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. It's gonna brighten up your nails. And, oh yeah, number 13. One of my favorite numbers. Why? Because it's Dan Marino of the Miami Dolphins, one of the greatest quarterbacks ever. Then we've got the Tetris Ipsy eyeshadow. It's in Block Party. It says, we've partnered with Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition. This is a shimmery rose gold shadow. Okay, let's see here. Rose gold. It's my game. So, there's that. Then we have I Do Care Space Kitten Exfoliating Galactic Black Peel-Off Mask. Ooh, shit. Ooh, look at that. It is galactic. Holy hell. Dang. Whoop. Anyway, there's that. That looks scary and I can't wait to try it, and I might have to video try it. Then finally, Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blush in Peach Pink. Look at that. Whoop. Let's see. Whoop. There we go. Peachy. There we go. Excited to try that. I do love the Sugar Cosmetics. That's what I'm using on my eyebrows right now. Anyway, that's the Tetris. I kind of want to go play Tetris now, even though I'm not much of a video game girl. Who's got Tetris? Anyway, follow me. Until next time, stay beautiful.